So when I let you off yesterday, went to my friend's house, we had a good time. I'm going on holiday today. I'm going to an island today. It's happening today. Which is pretty exciting. So we were helping my friend pack yesterday, having some fun. It was a good time. Good sir, no problem. Oh yes, lovely bike. So we're going on holiday today. Flight leaves at 5:30. So basically what I'm doing right now is I'm going to Sainsbury's to buy some stuff, not for the holiday, just my dad needs it. And then I'm going to buy some chips because it's Chip Saturday. Every Saturday I have chips. It is a ritual. Okay, so every Saturday having chips. I'm doing that again today. I'm going to get those after the grocery shopping. And yeah, this is gonna be the last video that I make before I go on holiday. Of course, by the time you're actually seeing this, it's probably about a month or a couple weeks after holiday has finished. That's okay though. Look how cheap the petrol is, dude. £1.30. It's actually really good price at the moment. That's not bad. From what it has been for a while, that is not too bad at all. Alright, I'm gonna turn in here. I think that's a good shout. Oh, it was a great shout. It was a great shout. Alright, I'm gonna pull over into here. Yeah, we made it out of the Sainsbury's. But, go away. I forget to turn off the traction controller. So now we have it getting controlled. Which is, oh, that's disappointing, isn't it? Now we're heading to the chip shop. It's chip shop o'clock, which is the time of the chip shop where we're going to. And I'm just gonna chill my way around the corner. And then accelerate. See, traction control comes on and it ruins my life. Makes me go slower. I don't think I've ever came to the chip shop this way before. This is a unique experience for me. Usually I come from the left. I come from that road back there. But this time I'm coming from a different angle, which is quite exciting, I feel like. I feel like that's really cool. Get some chips and then we eat them. And we're gonna have egg with it, and we're gonna have beans. Okay, we gotta look for an opening to get up onto the curb. We're gonna go up here. Boom. Boom, we did it. Traction control again. That's okay, that's fine, that's fine. Alright, this is always really sketchy, turning right. People love to pull out on me whenever I do it. There we go. Nobody did. Couple times that's already happened in the last 2 weeks. It's happened a couple times and someone just pull out on me while I'm turning. Because they're fucking stupid, man. They're all really dumb. Is there any car coming? No, we go. No giving way for me. Not today. Yes, mate. Pure power, pure speed. I love it. So yeah, I'm gonna be going on holiday. I'm gonna be on a flight in about 4 hours, 5 hours. 4 hours. Should be on a flight in about 4 hours. Be sitting on there waiting. Let's see if anything goes wrong, because something always seems to go wrong. Just always. And whatever I do, something seems to go wrong. But it is what it is. It all happens for a reason, don't it? So we learn. So whatever goes wrong will be a learning lesson. So that's all right. But I've got the chips. I've got the food. Now I'm going to eat. I got qualifying on at 1 to 2, which I'm going to dip in and out of. Not going to be able to watch the whole thing intently, but that's okay. At least it's not the race. I'll be watching the race on an island, which is pretty legit. And yeah, it's all going to be a good time, good fun time. Yes. And yeah, but anyway, you know, kisses, love, all love. Please don't subscribe. Again, it's going to go to my head, man. And We can't have that happening. I can't have my ego being any bigger than it already is. So kisses, love you, see you later, bye bye.